Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to hide Discord badges so you can keep your Discord profile clean and private. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the gear icon at the bottom left of the Discord window to open user settings. This is where you manage your account preferences, privacy options, and display settings. Step 2. Click the search box at the top, type streamer mode, and check if it is enabled. Turning it off ensures Discord does not automatically control or override badge visibility. Step 3. Click the search box again and type badge. This helps you quickly find the settings related to profile badges without scrolling through menus. Step 4. Click the badge-related notification options and toggle them off. This prevents badges from showing on your profile and stops related alerts. Step 5. Click the close button to exit the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically and applied right away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and helpful tech tutorials.